Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a Honda Civic. They stole the airbags out of the car and they busted the keyhole. Basically, we end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system, so you don't have to carry an extra remote control. It's a fully integrated add-on to the factory alarm. So if anybody busts out the keyhole next time or they break a window, the alarm will fire off. In fact, if they go after the rims and tires, the alarm will fire off. Basically, when you're on the alarm, you got to give it about 40 seconds until that light slows down. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the keyhole. The alarm will fire off. We also did the door bypass, so in the event that somebody busts out the keyhole, it will not shut off the factory alarm this time. Because normally what ends up happening is on these Hondas, if you turn the key to the left, I believe, and open the door, it shuts off the factory alarm. So we did the bypass, so when that happens, the minute you turn the key, the interior lights will come on and they'll fire off the factory alarm and it will no longer disable the factory alarm. This shock sensor add-on kit was installed here in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialists to stop the airbag theft and the rim theft. Thank you for watching this video. This is a must. Any owners who have these Honda Civics, believe me, you are in danger for airbag theft and rims and tires. Thank you for watching this video.